Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video we're going to talk about the differences between store register rewards and manufacturer register rewards over at Walgreens. So I ask that you really pay attention because the differences are like razor thin subtle, and if you're not paying attention, this is how it bites you. So this is a Catalina machine found at the front of the store. And why is it called a Catalina machine? The company that prints out these little coupons is called Catalina. So that's why the register rewards, if you're an old school couponer, you will call them cats and not register rewards. So that's why sometimes I'll say use the cat for blah, blah, blah. And I'm not talking about actual cats like your pet. I'm talking about coupons, and because it's an abbreviated version of this name, it's called a cat. Now, this is an example of a store coupon or store register reward. If you look at the top, see where the arrow is? That's how you know it's a store register reward. It has an expiry date. And for this, there is some special rules to it, and we're going to go through all of them one by one. Okay, so treat this like an IVC. What is an IVC? This is the big book of savings. Every month has one. And they have the IVC coupons in there, which are instant value coupons, which are the Walgreens coupons. Just to show you what these look like. And you find this at the front of the store. It is free to take. And it is the store coupons that you can pair with manufacturer coupons. And as you can see, the 28th to Christmas Day, you have a start and end date. And then also these are available digitally. Digitally, you can use them a one time. And through that book, you can use it multiple times. IVC stands for Instant Value Coupons, and treat that store coupon like an IVC coupon. Okay, the rules on these, you got to treat it like an IVC. And the store coupon is once per transaction. So if you have 2 or 3 of them, you can only use 1 per transaction because the second one will beep. Do not use it also with a spend booster or a spend deal because the value of the basket will be reduced down. So say you have to have $20 to get back $5 of Walgreens cash. If you're using one of these store register rewards, it'll actually bring you down to 15. So it's a very subtle thing, and until you pay and you look at the bottom of your receipt, you will not know that. And like, what are these magical boosters? These ones that I'm always showing in the videos. So if you try to use a store coupon with one of these and you're hoping that it'll cover part of the balance, it actually won't. And to use these, you'd have to buy either 35 or 40, which is like, just do a separate transaction to not mess anything up, because it gets more confusing. Okay, so for the usage of a store register reward, you do not need a filler item. For the manufacturers, yes, you do. But for this one, because it is like an IVC, you don't need a filler item. And I would use it on clearance merch or sales merch that's giving back Walgreens cash. That is an even Steven transaction, such as the Colgate deals always like buy 2, get back 4. That would be perfect with this. $4 of Walgreens cash. And do not use a store coupon on one promotion to get another store coupon. The second one will not print for you. They're a casino that does not like to lose, so hopefully that is crystal clear, all the questions I get about those store coupons. Now let's talk about the manufacturer register rewards. Now if you look at the top, see how it says manufacturer coupon? Hey, this is a little bit different than a store coupon. And they make this so very, very subtle that unless you're paying attention, which you absolutely have to over at Walgreens because they have so many rules, that it is rather confusing. I give you guys that because it is confusing. Sometimes even I'm confused. But you really got to pay attention because the devil, again, is in the details. With these manufacturer coupons, you can use them with a spend booster or a spend deal. Make sure that you have a filler item that they will attach in your line limit. And whenever you're doing a deal where you have like 5 items and 5 coupons, make sure the cashier is scanning every single item so every coupon will attach. You are able to use more than one manufacturer register reward per transaction. You cannot use that manufacturer register reward on the exact same deal and hoping a second one will print because it will not. Again, casino that does not like to lose. They usually have a 2-week expiry date, as do the store coupons. And if they do expire by chance, you can always ask a manager to compute the amount in Walgreens cash. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. Okay, so what's a filler item and what is all this stuff? Okay, we're going to explain this really quickly and hopefully this makes some sense. So every item that you scan in a transaction over at Walgreens creates a line. And every line can accept one coupon, one manufacturer coupon. So if you have a manufacturer register reward and other items that have coupons on every single item, you're going to need an extra line on the cash register tape to grab the manufacturer register reward. Thus, cheap candy, a cheap iced tea, that is called your filler item, an extra item to grab the manufacturer register reward. However, with the store register rewards, you do not need a filler item. Now, with the manufacturer register rewards, if you have either of these boosters, the answer is yes, you can use them in concert with this. So I really hope you're paying attention. And just to show you, you're able to use more than one. I used 2 $4 ones from Godiva. I had 2 Godiva manufacturer register rewards, take a breath. And I used 2 of them here in this line, and it worked beautifully, each scanned. Remember, I asked the cashier to scan every single item, and it worked out beautifully. Hopefully this video was informative, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.